Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be reviewing the Samsung B57C Soundbar. If you're looking for a powerful and immersive audio experience, then you'll definitely want to stick around for this review. First, let's start with the basics. The Samsung B57C is a soundbar that's designed to enhance your TV viewing and gaming experience. It comes with a variety of connectivity options, including Bluetooth, optical, and HDMI. The soundbar itself is designed for bar mounting, which means it can easily fit under your TV or be mounted on the wall. Now, let's talk about the features that set the Samsung B57C apart from other soundbars on the market. The first feature we want to highlight is the Dolby Audio and DTS Virtual X. These technologies work together to create a truly immersive and realistic 3D sound experience. Dolby Atmos projects sound from all around you, including from above, while DTS Virtual X expands your listening experience without the need for additional speakers. The next feature we want to talk about is the included rear speaker kit. These speakers project audio above and around you, filling the room with theater-like sound. This feature really adds to the immersive experience of watching movies or playing games. Another feature that we really like is the adaptive sound light. This feature optimizes the audio dynamically, providing enhanced voice clarity so you can follow along with action-packed games and blockbuster films. The soundbar also comes with a game mode, which optimizes your gaming experience with synced directional audio that moves with the on-screen action and eliminates distractions. One of the most important features of any sound system is the quality of the bass. Thankfully, the Samsung B57C includes a powerful subwoofer that adds intensity to action movies and excitement to sports. Finally, we have to mention the Bluetooth TV connection. This feature makes setup a breeze, allowing you to easily connect your soundbar to your TV wirelessly. This is a great convenience feature that saves you from having to deal with messy cables. So how does the Samsung B57C perform in the real world? We tested this soundbar with a variety of movies and games, and we have to say, we were really impressed with the audio quality. The Dolby Audio and DTS Virtual X technologies really do create a 3D sound experience that's incredibly immersive. The rear speakers also add a lot to the overall experience, creating a true surround sound effect. We found ourselves getting lost in movies and games, forgetting that we were even sitting in our living room. The adaptive sound light feature also works really well. We never had any trouble following along with dialogue, even during intense action scenes. The game mode is another feature that really shines. We tested this soundbar with a variety of games, and the directional audio really helped us to stay focused and immersed in the game. And finally, the subwoofer. This little guy really packs a punch. It adds a lot of depth and intensity to the audio, making action scenes feel truly epic. In terms of design, we have to say that we really like the sleek and modern look of the Samsung B57C. The soundbar itself is slim and unobtrusive, and the included rear speakers are small and easy to hide. The soundbar is designed to be mounted on the wall, which is a nice touch for those who want to save space or have a clean and minimalist home theater setup. Overall, we're really impressed with the Samsung B57C soundbar. It has a ton of great features like Dolby Atmos, DTS Virtual X, and adaptive sound light that can really enhance your audio experience. Plus, with the included subwoofer and rear speaker kit, you'll be able to enjoy theater-like sound in the comfort of your own home. If you're looking to upgrade your audio setup, the Samsung B57C is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like it if you did. If you're new here, click the subscribe button. Wishing you all the best until the next video.